Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this. It's a Triumph Street 765, and this one's the Racer, or to me and you, RS. Mega bikes, bundles of power, great technology on these. We'll go through the technology in a second. This one, 2019 on a 19 plate, 4,122 miles it's done. Seat cowl, it looks mega. Seats in back as well. So they come with loads of rider bits and bobs, LED front light as well. You've got your different rider modes, you can change and adjust the screen, full TFT display, loads of information that you can adjust and change on these cracking bikes. Look at that, coolant, you can change your style. Let's change it up to that bad boy. Oh, we'll have a bit of that, yes. Like I say, you go through different modes. Cracking, and then if you can just press a home button as well, you can go in and fully adjust everything there. But a mega bike. This one's also got the heated grips on there, cheeky little bar end mirrors, got some protection on the sides as well from Triumph. Yeah, truly fab bike. Gonna give it a start up for you as well. Standard intake noise from a Triumph sounds fabulous. Like I say, it goes like the clappers, but you got a bit more comfort than a Daytona. Anyway guys, you've seen this absolute belter. Pop down to Jordanbikes, give us a buzz. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.